Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into something really exciting. We'll be installing the brand new Derpfest ROM based on Android 16 on the legendary OnePlus 6T. I'm currently running CrDroid Dynamic ROM, and I'm ready for a fresh start. Now this installation has one very critical step that depends entirely on the type of ROM you are coming from, so please pay close attention to avoid any issues. Before we start, the usual disclaimer. This is an advanced procedure. You are modifying your phone's software at your own risk. Make sure you have backed up all of your important data, as this process will completely wipe your device. I am not responsible for any damage or bricked phones. All right, let's get into it. The first and most important thing to check is whether you are currently using a ROM with dynamic partitions. My CrDroid ROM is a dynamic partition ROM, so this guide is specifically for users like me. If you're on a non-dynamic partition ROM, like an older version of Oxygen OS or a different custom ROM, your process is much simpler. You would just need to flash the correct boot.img file and then sideload the ROM zip. That's it. However, if you are on a dynamic partition ROM like I am, we have to perform some extra steps to clean the slate and prepare the device properly. We need to manually erase the old system, ODM, and vendor partitions from both slots. This prevents any conflicts or boot loops. Great! With the partitions wiped clean, we can now reboot into recovery mode. Use the volume keys on your phone to navigate to recovery mode and press the power button to select it. Now that we are in the recovery, the first thing we must do is format our data. This will wipe the internal storage, so I hope you made that backup. Navigate to Factory Reset, and then select Format Data/Factory Reset, and confirm by selecting Format Data. Once formatting is complete, go back to the main menu. Now we'll sideload the ROM. Navigate to Apply Update, and then choose Apply from ADB. The phone will now be waiting for a file. Back on your computer, type the following command. Make sure to use the actual file name of your Derpfest ROM zip. Now, just hit enter and be patient. The ROM will be pushed from your computer to your phone and installed. You'll see the progress percentage on your terminal and on your phone screen. This can take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message on your phone screen. From the recovery's main menu, simply select Reboot System Now. The first boot will take longer than usual, so don't worry. Just let it sit for a few minutes while it sets everything up. And there we have it, the Derpfest setup screen. We have successfully installed Derpfest ROM based on Android 16 on our OnePlus 6T, coming from a dynamic partition ROM. So that's the whole process. It's a bit more involved if you're on a dynamic partition ROM, but by following these steps carefully, you can get it done without any issues. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more content like this, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.